In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email address or domain in Outlook and stop those important emails from going straight to junk or spam. If you've ever missed a crucial email because it was stuck in your spam folder, you know just how frustrating it can be. Fortunately, Outlook has a feature that can help you manage this. First, let's get started by opening the new Microsoft Outlook desktop application. Once you have it open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice, as you look towards the top right corner of the screen, there's a small icon that looks like a gear. This is your settings icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Doing this will provide us with a set of options to customize your email experience further. From this menu, you need to navigate to the Mail section. Once you click on it, you'll see a series of options related to managing your mail settings. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Junk Mail. This is where you will be able to manage how Outlook handles messages deemed as junk. It's important to remember that this feature is specifically available for Outlook email accounts. If you're trying to use this functionality with a different email provider, unfortunately, this won't be possible. So if you have multiple accounts linked to your Outlook, make sure you select your Outlook email to proceed. Next, directing our focus to the safe senders list. This tool is extremely useful for ensuring that emails from specific senders are always delivered straight to your inbox. To add a new sender, simply click on the Add button. You'll be prompted to enter the email address or domain name that you want to whitelist. For those of you unfamiliar, a domain name is what comes after the @ symbol in an email address, allowing you to whitelist an entire organization if necessary. After typing in the email or domain, ensure you double check for any errors. It's a simple step, but it's essential. A small typo can cause the whitelisting process to fail, sending those emails back into the abyss of your junk folder. Once you have confirmed there are no mistakes, finalize your changes by clicking the Save button. This ensures any email or domain you've added is now securely on your safe list. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to whitelist email addresses and domains in Outlook. This small adjustment can make a significant difference, helping you stay connected and ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you keep that inbox clean and organized.